so I'm currently doing the learning path that Unity put out for VR development. One thing I think the learning path was missing was how to add specific sounds depending on which object was interacted with, picked up. So for my VR game or small VR demo so far, you have to go around this beach picking up trash, and I wanted a different sound depending on whether you picked up a can, a bottle, piece of fruit, whatever. So I just wanted to quickly show how to add sounds depending on which object you actually pick up. So let's just start with this can here, for instance, the soda can green. As you can see, it has this XR grab interactable script on it. I got this from the Unity VR learning path. I can really recommend it. So as I mentioned, it has this XR grab interactable. If you just scroll down, then add a component, and then we add this audio source. But I'll just take a random sound here in my audio folder. So I'll take this trash dump, add to the audio resource. Don't play on Awake, of course. I'd like it to be 3D, works best in VR in my opinion, but that's your choice. So now we have the audio source. If I just enable the view of the gizmo here, you can see it has an audio source now. So now we have the audio source, we have the audio which we want to play, but now we have to tell this audio to play when the item is picked up. But here in the XR grab interactable component, this is where we want to say play the sound when picked up. So we'll go down to this. Maybe you have to expand the drop down menu, interactable events. Then we'll find selected. So hover. So this is when you hover over with your interactor or your hands or whatever. We want the select, not the first last select, but we want the select. The one is just called select. So select entered is what we want, because that's when we pick it up, while select exited is when we drop the item. So add to the list this plus sign. We want to add this object, because it's this object who has the audio source component on it. So now we go to this no function drop down menu, go down to the audio source, and we click play. So now when it's picked up, the audio source we've added will play. Just to show the example properly how this works, I want to quickly add some audio sources to these two as well, so you can hear the difference in the sound. Okay, so we're back. As you can see, there's now audio sources on these three components. I've added a trash dump for this one, paper crumble for this one, some audio I just downloaded and put in with project myself. And to really make the sounds distinct so you can really hear the difference, I just put music on this one when we pick it up. I hope that you can see this. This is my first time recording in VR. Hope this works properly, both with the video and the sound. So it's those three objects we added sound to. So let's try and pick up this. Hopefully you heard that sound. Let's try again. Now let's try this one. It's more of a paper crumbled sound. And when we pick up the bottle here, it should play music. Yeah. So that's basically how to add different sounds depending on which object you pick up. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Thank you for watching.